Tenga mo daw. Turo mo daw yung tenga mo. Nasaan ang tenga ni Georgie? Nasaan ang tenga mo? Nasaan ang mata mo? Where's your mata? Patingin ang mata mo. Kakanta na naman siya. Lapit lang si National Day dito sa Friday na. National Day.
It's National Day on Friday?
Yes, National Day on Friday.
So we were on New Zealand.
Yes,
things?
you will use
New
the New
Zealand?
Zealand. Yes. Ano New Zealand? Flag. The flag.
New Zealand?
The flag. The flag.
flag?
Yeah, UAE flag.
I thought it was the one where we go.
No.
And then we have so many foods.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the last time, the one national, the one we went before. Yeah, that's different. This one is the
I have a Canadian friend.
Canadian. So they will, before they will wear the national, but now we will use the flag of.
She comes from more than one.
From several
Where's my kiss nga,
She
Rod?
does Islamic.
Islamic? Oh, we have Islamic.
Yeah, she's Muslim.
Galing naman.
She's Muslim.
Oh.
She does
It's
Islamic.
good. It's better to
is
learn.
my beautiful country. This
She celebrates
is
Christmas also.
My beautiful country.
This
Is my beautiful country.
No, I-E.
UAE? UAE, United.
How about I go on my iPad and I search up like
What?
songs
UAE.
and then we sing.
What you will sing?
Can I go get my iPad and do that?
So what you will sing first? What you will sing? But you need to shower na.
I will look for like
UAE?
pages to sing. Wait,
UAE.
let me-
You need the UAE.
There are 7 heavens.
There are 7 states in UAE.
1, 2, 3.
There are 7 states in
1,
UAE.
2, 3.
There are 7 states in UAE.
1, 2, 3.
There are 7 states. There are 7 states. There are 7 states in UAE.
1, 2, 3.
Good job!